Today's recipe is a very healthy and easy breakfast recipe. All we need for this recipe is oats, almonds and milk. So let's get into the recipe and see how to prepare it. To start with, take 5 to 10 almonds, 5 to 10 walnuts. Soak all the nuts in a bowl overnight. Today morning, rinse 2 to 3 times all the soaked nuts and peel them. Here I am soaking nuts as it helps in breaking down phytic acid so it can be absorbed properly. And also soaking helps in neutralizing the enzyme inhibitors present in the nuts. So always soak the nuts before eating. The reason why I am using almonds and walnuts in my dishes, these nuts contain healthy fats, fiber, protein and antioxidants. They can also reduce hunger and promote in weight loss, and they are also useful for diabetic people. Apart from these healthy benefits, adding nuts will also give that extra crunch and flavor while eating. Now slice all the peeled almonds and walnuts into small pieces. Here I am adding dates also. De-seed the dates and chop them nicely. Dates are a good source of antioxidants. They have high fiber, iron and B6. Dates are also high in calories and carbs. So limit eating these dates to 2 to 3 per day, not more than that. Dates are a natural sweetener. I am substituting sugar or jaggery with dates. In the instant pot vessel, I am taking 1 cup of oats. To this add all the chopped nuts and dates and 1 cup of almond milk. Almond milk can be substituted with the normal milk also, but here I am using almond milk, and 2 cups of water. Oats are incredibly nutritious and gluten free. Whole oats are rich in antioxidants and soluble fiber. Oats are very filling and they may also help in losing weight. Now place the vessel in the instant pot and cook it for 10 minutes as I am using rolled oats. After 10 minutes our oatmeal is ready. So let the pressure cool down and take the vessel out and give a good mix. Now enjoy this oatmeal while it is still hot. So friends, our healthy and delicious breakfast that is very easy to prepare with no oil, no sugar, no jaggery is ready to enjoy. This is very filling and healthy because of the ingredients we used here. So please do try this, and if you like, please subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more upcoming healthy and nutritious recipes. Thanks to all my subscribers and viewers.